Hello everyone, it's Nikita here from Atikin Games. In cooperation with Hero Time, we've created this short video series to explain how to get going with Kickstarter. In this video, we'll talk about add-on items. Add-ons are relatively new to Kickstarter. I was an early beta tester for them and have now used them on free projects, so I can attest that they are very useful. Why should I have add-ons? As with most of the nice little extra features like this that you see, you in no way have to use them, but they are quick to set up and they can help you reach your funding goal more quickly. If you set up some of the items from your reward tiers as add-on items, then backers can choose any combination of items they want. This is very useful as they can only choose one reward tier. So having add-on items available means backers can choose a reward tier they like and still get extras or multiple copies of your game if they want. Keep in mind that backers won't actually see add-on items until after they've chosen a reward tier. This is another good reason for including the add-on items as a section in your story. How do I create add-ons? You'll find them in your rewards section here. You'll also see, if you look at items, that any items you created whilst putting your reward tiers together will be here. And you can add these to the add-ons as you create them to help make fulfillment easier at the end of the campaign. You create add-ons a lot like you do rewards. They have their own title, cost, description, estimated delivery date, and this is where you can link it to an item you've already created. Or you can create something entirely new that isn't available as a reward tier. I often add my previously published games as add-on items in my campaigns. There's one extra setting for add-on items that isn't present for reward tiers, and that's this, backer quantity, which means you can set a maximum quantity of this particular add-on that each backer can have. I've not yet had cause to use this feature, but it's nice that it's there. See you next time!